Hi everyone, the Volkswagen Beetle has always been more than just a car. It's an icon, a symbol of style, fun, and individuality. For decades, it has been loved by millions around the world. But now, in 2025, the Beetle is back, better than ever, and ready to embrace the future while staying true to its legendary roots. Today, let's dive deep into the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle and explore what makes this car so special. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Beetle is its design. Volkswagen has managed to retain the classic shape that made the Beetle famous while giving it a modern twist. The iconic rounded silhouette is still here, but with sharper lines and more aerodynamic elements. Up front, the LED headlights are circular, paying homage to the original design while adding a futuristic touch. The rear features sleek LED taillights and a more aggressive bumper, giving it a sporty edge. Overall, the 2025 Beetle is a perfect blend of retro charm and contemporary aesthetics. Moving to the interior, the 2025 Beetle offers a delightful mix of nostalgia and cutting-edge technology. Volkswagen has redesigned the cabin to feel more spacious and comfortable than ever. Premium materials are used throughout, and there's a clear focus on sustainability, with many interior components made from recycled materials. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. Despite its compact size, the Beetle is surprisingly practical. There's enough room for 4 adults to sit comfortably, and the boot space is ample for a weekend getaway. The seats are ergonomic and supportive, making long drives enjoyable. Volkswagen has also added plenty of storage spaces for your everyday essentials, making the Beetle a great companion for urban life. Under the hood, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle offers a range of powertrains to suit different needs. For the eco-conscious, there's a fully electric version that boasts a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. The electric motor delivers instant torque, making the Beetle zippy and fun to drive. For those who prefer traditional engines, Volkswagen offers a turbocharged petrol variant with excellent fuel efficiency and responsive performance. Both versions come with advanced driving modes, allowing you to customize your driving experience. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Beetle doesn't compromise. It's packed with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Volkswagen has also equipped the Beetle with a robust chassis and multiple airbags, ensuring maximum protection for you and your passengers. On the road, the Beetle continues to live up to its reputation as a fun and engaging car. The steering is precise, the suspension is tuned for a smooth ride, and the overall handling is agile. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking on winding country roads, the Beetle offers a driving experience that's hard to match. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle also focuses on sustainability, not just with its electric powertrain but also in its production process. Volkswagen has committed to reducing its carbon footprint, and the new Beetle is a testament to that promise. It's not just a car, it's a step towards a greener future. So, who is the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle for? It's for anyone who loves the Beetle's heritage but wants a car that's ready for the future. It's for drivers who appreciate style, comfort, and technology in a compact package. And most importantly, it's for those who want to make a statement on the road. The 2025 Beetle is more than just a car, it's a celebration of an automotive legend. Volkswagen has successfully reimagined the Beetle for a new generation, and it's clear that this car is here to stay. What do you think about the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more car reviews and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.